How to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you transfer WhatsApp data from Android to your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp app on your Android phone. After you open WhatsApp, you'll get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on settings. From settings section, you'll have to tap on chat. And from here, you can manually go the options like chat backup or export chat. Simply, first you'll have to go the option chat backup. And from here, tap on the option backup now. After you tap on that, you'll be able to add a backup on your Google ID or your any email account. After you add backup on your email account, you'll have to just try to log in that WhatsApp account on your iPhone, and from there, if you are asking for a backup, simply go with that option, go for the backup, and you can easily recover that backup on your iPhone also. Or you can also directly transfer the chat from your Android phone to your iPhone. For that, tap on the option transfer chat to iPhone at the bottom, and from here tap on start. And from the section, you'll have to just download the WhatsApp on your new phone, register with the same phone number, use this phone to scan the QR code as shown on your new phone. And from here, after you verify with that QR code on your new phone, you will be able to transfer your every data, including your every chats and media, from your Android phone to your iPhone. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.